Hi everyone, welcome back to this is Pawan. Welcome back to WebDriver IO session. In this session, we're going to discuss about find elements, which will be representing with a double dollar in WebDriver IO, and the one more is drag and drop method in WebDriver IO. See, the find elements where we are using here as a browser dot double dollar. Whereas coming into the Selenium side, we can use it as an driver dot find elements by like that. So we will get a list of elements which is wrapped to that particular UL. I mean for the particular hyper HTML tag. So now we'll go to the practical example and we'll step into the session. This is an official documentation for an WebDriver IO. So today we're going to discuss about an find elements, that is we as a double dollar. When I click on this, we can just read that what they are saying. The double dollar command is a short way to call the find elements, and the command in order to fetch a multiple elements of the page. So it will helpful to fetch the multiple elements in the list format. It returns an array of which elements will have an extended prototype to call in commands without passing in selector. So this will helpful to figure out then all elements which has wrapped with that HTML tag. We'll see an example. See, there is we have an UL HTML tag. Inside this there is a list tag. So once you using a double dollar, the all the elements which has included in the list we can get in our console. Let me go to the practical session and we plan to be implement that. Let me open my Visual Studio Code. First of all, let me create one page object class. I'm giving to name this file as a find element session. Let me create a class first. Class. Inside this, I'm going to write here one parent method. Inside that, I'm going to write as a child method. After the last method, I'm going to use a console.log for that. Let me do that activity. Let me check that element which we going to get an elements. I'm trying to use to call all the list elements on this particular side, like double dollar, dollar, call, custom dollar, custom. Enter all these. I would like to get on my console log. So let me inspect here the browser. I use an XPath here for particular UL. So inside this having an all as a double dollar, dollar, I need to get all the elements. So I'm using for this particular XPath. Now I'm going to create a one more method for child element. Here I'm using a this. This is an reference of the current class. So I'm using the method this dot parameter header. So I'm calling this method inside this method. So by this it is handling all the li tags. Now I'm going to write one more method to call then all the list of elements by using the console.log. Use the return dot this dot sorry as a return this dot child elements dot filter and dot filter and give that parameter as an element. Use an arrow function. Here the element is acting like an parameter to hold on all the list of elements. Inside this and we are going to write an console.log inside this just mention element of the li tag plus element dot get test. So here we are using this parameter as an coming into the Java side we have an for each loop, right? The same way it will be acting here. The parameter is called here with the get test. So it will get the test of all the li tags. Let me try but practically and I go and export this module dot exports is equal to new and element session. Now I create an object. Okay, fine. Let's start writing the Mocha framework here. Describe. Use an arrow function after this. So it has an it. So inside the it, I'm going to mention collect the list of elements. Use an arrow function. Now assign the URL which you're going to do the testing. Browser dot URL. I'm going to use this URL, so I'm typing here, and we have to use the find element session class inside this. For this, we have to call the class here. We are importing here constant header is equal to require we are using this find element session. So we got it here. Now call this const variable into this like header dot. Which method you need to be used? We have to use collection of elements because we mentioned the console.log, right? Let me mouse over here. You can check that. Yes, we can getting that element has to be called here.